Looking for a money-making Cardano investment strategy that will be spewing cash while you sleep? Then you are at the right place. Relax as I take you through this proven and beginner-friendly Cardano investment strategies. Cardano is so far the largest proof-of-stake (POS) protocol in the world of cryptocurrencies. Proof-of-stake protocol is a consensus-building mechanism for blockchains. It works by selecting validators on the network in proportion to their quantity of holdings in the associated crypto. Staking can be lucrative if done correctly. Hold on a sec as I reveal some secrets to make some cash taking in the Cardano network. Proof-of-stake protocol is better than the first-gen proof-of-work (POW) consensus building mechanism in first-generation cryptocurrencies because it is less energy-intensive. Cryptocurrencies are becoming quickly problematic to the environment. According to the University of Cambridge research, the Bitcoin network consumes 110.53 terawatt-hours in its operation. February 2021. Charles Hoskinson estimated the Cardano network used 6 gigawatt-hours annually, less than 0.01% of the annual consumption of the Bitcoin network. Sometimes old school isn't so old after all. Some old tricks can be applied to stuff from time to time, and they turn out fine. The most straightforward strategy you can use to invest in Cardano is buying and holding. Yes, you've heard it right. How do you think your grandpa invested in the stock market in the dark ages of the internet? Those days, there was the internet and tons of information available online today. Grandpa only made sure the stock's fundamentals he was picking were good. After that, patience and time were allowed to do what they do most. The buying and holding strategy can be applied by you today. All you need is to log on to any trusted crypto exchange, such as Coinbase, Binance, Gemini, etc., to buy some Cardano ADA token with some dollars. Then store them in your secured wallet and forget about them until the price soars high enough to sell. Can we be sure the fundamentals of Cardano are suitable to inform our investment decision? You'll soon find out down the video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already to stay updated on trending topics, news, and opportunities in the crypto world. The next strategy would have gotten you into trouble had it been done in an examination. But thankfully, this is not an exam, but an investment method. You invest by copying and imitating famous investors. Undoubtedly, the investor sentiment regarding ADA Cardano is all hawkish and optimistic. However, trying to figure it all out could prove a difficult task for amateur investors wanting to invest in crypto. That is why imitating the portfolios and investment patterns of the famous and successful members of the ADA community come in handy. Simply clone the portfolios of the popular investors you want to follow and do as they do. Also, this process will make management of your basket of cryptocurrencies, including ADA, easy. You can also seek expert opinion or advice from the community if you have any challenges. But remember to begin with a small amount and keep learning the strategy slowly as you grow your investments. If you do not find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Warren Buffett. Warren can't say it any better. If you enjoy hands-free investment, this is for you. Another strategy you can adopt to earn a passive income with Cardano is to stake it in a pool run by yourself or someone else. The amount of stake contributed to a given pool is how the Ouroboros protocol determines which stake pool should add the next block to the blockchain. The pool receives a reward for successfully adding a new block to the blockchain, and the prizes are shared proportionally with participants who contribute to the winning block. Further, the amount of stake dedicated to a pool is significant because the more stake there is in a stake pool, the higher the chance it is to make the next block. Finally, what's on the horizon for Cardano that is attractive to investors? An announcement from the camp of Cardano indicates a strategic partnership with Possession. Possession connects investors to quality small and medium-sized enterprises on the platform and provides credit to its customers. The partnership enables any African with a blockchain-based ID and credit score to access a crypto loan facility at a low monthly interest rate. The collaboration will also enhance the end-to-end financial operating system in Africa. Cardano's penetration into Africa's fintech industry is a step in the right direction because a large section of the African population remains wildly unbanked. Let's know in the comment section the strategy you will be using to invest in Cardano this year. See you in our next video.